Welcome back everybody, or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be canning some dill pickles. First we harvested some small cucumbers from the garden, and I have some dill from the garden and some garlic that we harvested, and Doug got me some down and I'm going to peel it. It's just great to go out to your garden and harvest what you need, just like a grocery store. First, we're going to scrub the cucumbers really good and rinse them off. You want little size, about like this. They stay a lot crispier. But this recipe, we've had big ones in the jar and they've stayed just as crisp. But the little ones are still really good. I originally saw Tipper from Celebrating Appalachia make these, and she got the recipe from Justin over at Appalachia's Metcalf Meals. I'll have both them linked below. Here I'm cutting off the blossom end of the cucumber. You want to cut that off because the blossom end, it has a enzyme in it that can break down your cucumber and make it mushy. So you want to cut that off. Here I've got my jars in my water bath canner. I'm going to boil them for about 10 minutes to sterilize them. In each jar I'm going to put 1/4 teaspoon of alum, some dill, just a little bit of dill, and 1 clove of garlic. Sorry about this guys, I had the camera turned the wrong way, but we're just going to fill the jars up to about the shoulder of the jar, and then add in between, add the garlic and the dill and the alum on top. Now this is an open kettle method of canning. I don't can anything else like this, but I've tried this recipe for 2 to 3 years now and it works great. I've not had no problems. What I'm going to be doing here is putting the lid and the ring on. I sort of wipe the rim, and I'm going to put this in a 200-degree oven for 10 minutes. That is just to keep everything really hot, and because if you're doing the open kettle method, you want everything hot so your jars will seal. If you don't feel comfortable doing it that way, you can put your brine in and water bath can this for at least 10 minutes, but these make really crispy pickles, and I've tried everything for years to make crispy pickles, and it just every recipe I've tried, it's not turned out. So we're going to put these in the oven for 10 minutes, and then we're going to start our brine in the meantime. For the brine, I'm going to put in 3 quarts of non-chlorinated water, and I'm going to add 4 cups of vinegar and 1 cup of salt. Now I'm going to bring this up to a boil and dissolve the salt. After 10 minutes, I'm going to take 1 jar at a time out of the oven, and I'm going to fill the brine up to 1-inch headspace. Just be careful, the rim might be just a little hot. I put the lid on tight, and now I'm going to set it over on a towel, and I'm going to cover these. I don't do this with any other of my canning, but for this it works. Here are my pickles. I got 7 quarts. I'm going to leave them under the towel and for about 24 hours, and then I'm going to let them set for about a month before I try them. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.
Folks, thank you for watching, and hope you have a blessed day. Stay safe, and we will be seeing you soon, Lord willing. Folks, thank you for watching, and hope you have a blessed day. Stay safe, and we will be seeing you soon.